Marami sa mga nag-uumpisang couple, they begin their journey in joyful events like dates, travels, and movies. Pero sa atin, nagsimula tayo. It revolved around going to the hospital, crying, and empathizing with each other's sorrows. But I do remember that one specific night when we both hugged each other and we would cry because we miss our parents so much. That's when I realized, with you by my side, I can overcome anything.
You're the one and only ever constant thing. You make my heart feel alive.
Today, I vow to love you for a long time, forever. Madaling gampanan yung to love you dun kasi nga mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na kita.
The person I once barely knew, I came to know completely because of the trials we faced each other. And now that we are married, I'm confident that we'll continue to grow stronger because I've witnessed you standing beside me through every dark moment.
I don't know how the days they go blink of an eye.
Kaya ang halaga ng marriage sa Islam is bakit? Pag pinakasalan mo si babae, hindi lang siya minahal mo, ginalang mo siya, pati ang pamilya niya. Look at us now, tayo ngayon. Both families, nagkasundo, nagkaisa, we are now in a one gathering because of them.
Sobrang ikli oras, lalo na sa mga taong nagmamahal. Akala natin ang dami nating oras para magmahal, pero papahalagahan ko yung bawat araw na magkasama tayong dalawa at wala akong sasayangin.